Hey, ice cream lovers. Welcome to this session of Scoop School. You're probably thinking, why do I subscribe to this channel? I kind of want to learn about the ice cream business, but really, does he really know what he's talking about? Well, I do know what I'm talking about today. Do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is Carpigiani. Carpigiani. C-A-R-P-I-G-I-A-N-I. Not Carpet Johnny. Carpigiani, biggest manufacturer of ice cream equipment in the world. Manufactured in Europe, sold and distributed and supported in the US. CarpigianiUSA.com. The link is down below. We love the people at Carpigiani. They've sponsored this episode just for you. Cammie's probably watching this now thinking, why do we spend our money on this? Link's down below. Tell them that I said hello. Great people. Now, Mardi Gras is coming up. You want to know how I know Mardi Gras is coming up? Because I have an excellent promotions calendar or promotions calendaring expert working in Scoop School. And you know what his name is? The person who helps us plan out our promotions, our flavors, our seasonal flavors, our different things that we do for the special occasions. You want to know who it is? It's Sam Walton. Yes, the founder of Walmart. You want to know how I know that Mardi Gras is coming up? Because I was at Walmart and there's one full aisle of Mardi Gras stuff. In fact, I'm going to throw a few things at Madeline's editing skills here. I took some photos. Here's the Mardi Gras aisle. Shing! Okay, so what else did I learn while I was at Walmart? Well, it's Valentine's Day coming up. I took some photos as well. Shing! 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 See how you go with that. Now, you don't need to necessarily, look, it's good to plan out on your social media flavor development promotional calendar. You should be planning out some of these events. But look, in the grand scheme of things, I don't know where my glasses went. I was getting so excited about putting, oh, you're there. So excited about putting the Mardi Gras mask on. I forgot my glasses were. You should be taking a cue from retailers all around you. Now, as soon as, not even before the New Year stuff went out, the Valentine's Day stuff started rolling out. And as soon as Walmart and a lot of these other retailers, resellers, department stores, grocery stores start marketing an event, that's when you need to start actually planning, well, what are we going to do for this event? Because they're getting in early and getting people prepared. You should be start using that same timeline. So you may not have the time perhaps to sit down and kind of look at, okay, what are the dates in the next 2, 3, 4 months? But I'll tell you right now that a lot of these retailers who pay millions of dollars in marketing, they know the timing very well. So as soon as you start to see some of this stuff starting to pop up in the Walmart aisle, time for you to start thinking, what are we going to do about Valentine's Day? Now, you can take some inspiration from there. Let me give you some examples. And again, straight off the top of the head, without doing any kind of meticulous planning, this little pack of chocolates was $1. Now again, you'll probably get something cheaper through a broadline distributor, but in a pinch, get one of these, $1, for every couple's sundae, which let's say is a banana split with 2 spoons, but instead of a regular banana split, you may have strawberry, vanilla strawberry with strawberries all around, maybe some hard shell or some fudge. With every couple's sundae, which might be $7, $8, they get a complimentary little packet, heart-shaped box of chocolates. Look, is it the greatest quality chocolate? No. You might want to offer Bachi or something like that, but it's a good little thing. This is another thing. These foam hearts worth 75 cents. Put them all around the store. Here's something that I was thinking of, all of these little containers here, and I've seen stores do this really well, is that you'll have a she loves me not promotion. So let's say you have a bunch of these on the counter and someone pays $5 to do the she loves me not challenge. Now in each of these is a $5 gift card or something better. It might have a packet of those little heart, what do they call them? The little candy with the hearts on them. What are they, Madeline? Sweethearts? Is that what they call them? Sweetheart? Don't worry about it, sweetheart. You can put all sorts of things in here, maybe some booby prizes, but everything's got to be at least a $5 value, but you might have a $20 gift card in one of them. She loves me not. I didn't get the $20 gift card. I still got some nice ice cream. Woo, I got the $20 gift card. She loves me. Woohoo! Anyway, I'm no marketing genius. All I'm saying is that when you're in doing your regular grocery shopping and you're down there at Walmart or wherever you are at, the Piggly Wiggly, the Wawa, the Myers, all around the country, have a look at their, what you saying, Matt? Smith's. Albertsons is another one. Look, the list goes on and on. Go down the seasonal aisle, see what they're promoting. Often they're doing it nice and early, giving customers time to prepare. This gives you ample enough time to put together at least a good promotion or a flavour. Who's going to be your main marketing calendar expert? Sam Walton, Phil Albertson, Johnny Meyer, Shirley, I was trying to throw a lady in there, now I've run out of Shirley Smith. Anyway. Easy to do, and if you're not the best at projecting promotions, take a leaf out of their book. They'll certainly help you out. Thank you to Carpigiani. See, it all came back in the end, Cammy. I think people thought, oh yeah, started off a little bit rocky, but he pulled it around at the end. Anyway, carpigianiusa.com. The link is down below. Thank you very much for subscribing. Again, we're inching very, very close to 10,000 subscribers. When we hit 10,000 subscribers, we're doing a big supplier giveaway. We're putting together a beautiful gift basket from a lot of samples and flavors, extracts, paste from a lot of our suppliers here at Scoop School. And it's going to go out to someone on that 10,000 video. This is subscribe. This is a good video. This takes you to Scoop School. See you in the next video.